In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an article in Zendesk, a platform that many organizations use to manage customer support. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, we'll need to access the Knowledge section of Zendesk. Begin by clicking on the waffle icon located at the top right of your Zendesk dashboard. This icon gives you access to various Zendesk products. From this menu, select Knowledge, which in the past was known as Guide. Once you're in the Knowledge section, you're ready for the next steps. Now, let's move on to creating or opening an article. The Knowledge dashboard is your workspace where you can manage all your articles. Here, you have two main choices. If you're starting fresh, click on Create Article. This option will let you start composing a new piece right from scratch. Alternatively, if you have an article in progress that you want to continue working on, look under the Articles section where your drafts are listed. Select the draft you wish to edit, and you'll be directed to the editing interface. Once you've chosen whether to create a new article or edit an existing one, it's time to fill in the article details. The first element to consider is the title. Think of this as the headline your readers will see, so make it clear and engaging. Next, move into the body of the article. Here, you'll use the rich text editor provided by Zendesk to write and format your content. Take advantage of this tool to make your article comprehensive and easy to read. Additionally, you can add labels. These are essentially keywords that help improve the searchability of your article within Zendesk. Keep in mind that adding labels is optional, but it could significantly enhance your article's visibility. After detailing the content, you need to set the article's visibility. You'll have several options to choose from. You can make the article visible to everyone, meaning it will be publicly available in your help center. Alternatively, you might decide that only signed-in users should view this article, which means users will need to log in to read it. Finally, the most restricted option is to set the article to be viewed only by agents and admins. This is particularly useful for internal documentation that you don't want external users to access. When you're satisfied with the article and its settings, it's time to publish. Look towards the top right of your screen for the Publish button and click it when you're ready to go live with your content. Depending on your Zendesk plan, there could also be options to schedule the article for a later publication, submit it for managerial review, or save it as a draft if you need more time to refine your work. And that's it. Following these steps will ensure that you successfully publish your article in Zendesk. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.